Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. 6 months of hard work can put you 5 years ahead in life. Let us start our lesson. Today we will study about fables, allegories, and satires. What is a fable? Short, simple story. Animals as characters speak or act like animals, and humans, designed to teach a moral or practical lesson, can be amusing. So, fable is that type of a story in which animals talk like humans and it has a moral or practical lesson. It can be amusing. Fable, well known example, The Tortoise and the Hare, one of Aesop's fables. Most fables have two levels of meaning. On the surface, the fable is about animals, but on a second level, the animals stand for types of people or ideas. How does Animal Farm fit the criteria of a fable? Look at this story, Animal Farm, which is a fable. Now we will discuss about allegory. Definition: objects, events, or people are presented symbolically. Characters are often personifications of abstract ideas such as charity, greed, envy, etc. Underlying meaning has moral, social, religious, or political significance deeper than the actual incident. Teaches a moral or practical lesson. The difference between an allegory and a symbol is that an allegory is a complete narrative that conveys abstract ideas to get a point across. So, allegory is that type of a story in which events are presented symbolically and there is a moral or social lesson in it, and this conveys abstract ideas. The example of allegory is terrible things. Let's see more examples. Why did the author tell the story of Holocaust in this symbolic way? Who is this story directed to? In an allegory, people, places, and events are used as symbols. What can the clearing in the woods stand for? What about the different animals, the terrible things? During the Holocaust, terrible things were done by real people, people with faces, names, and life histories. Why do you think the author shows the terrible things as anonymous? What would you say to Big Rabbit's statement, "We are the white rabbits"? It couldn't happen to us. Animal Farm, the way the animals interact and the way the plot unfolds says something about the nature of people or the value of ideas. Any type of fiction that has multiple levels of meaning in this way is called an allegory. How does Animal Farm fit the criteria of an allegory? Satire. A literary tone used to ridicule or make fun of human vice or weakness. So this is that type of story in which the tone is used to make fun of human weaknesses, aimed at individuals, groups, institution, or humanity in general. There are two types: Horatian satire and juvenile satire. Horatian satire criticizes vice in society, foolish rather than evil. It is gentle, mild, light-hearted humor. Wit is there, and exaggeration and self-deprecating humor. It's sympathetic. And the next one addresses an evil in society. Scorn, outrage, and savage ridicule. Irony is there, sarcasm, moral indignation, and personal invective, and less humor. And the type of story is pessimistic. Let's see the example of satire. Scary movie and subject of satire, horror movies. Films often exaggerate the techniques of horror to scare the audience. SNL's Weekend Update television. Human flaws and vices related to politics, entertainment, and current events. And let's see, a literary satire is a composition making fun of something, usually political. What aspect of politics is Animal Farm making fun of? Is Animal Farm a Horatian or Juvenalian satire? So this was all about fable, allegory, and satire. You will have understood about it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.